programs you'll need to download and install in order to do the labs for Open Intro Statistics. R and R Studio.
Hello students, here I am sharing the video for installing R and R Studio. So as you can see here, for Windows 7 in this video how to install R tool is shown. So just go through it and follow the steps.
.r-project.org. At the top of the screen you'll see 3 links. Go ahead and click on Download R for Windows. Here click on the base link, and then you should get that last link for the download. Go ahead and click on it, and it should start a download. The file size is 38 megs, which
So here they have downloaded R2.13.1. so I will suggest you to download. There are multiple versions available, so you have to download R3.4.3 or later versions, because for assignment 5 which we are going to execute, for that the earlier version does not support certain libraries. So I'll suggest you to download the R3.4.3 or later version. Once again verify whether the a priori, so just on Google type this, the a priori R language, a priori library support version. So from here also you will get the information about which is the version which supports a priori functions. Okay, so actually here on Google there are multiple supporting versions available. So basically you will need to install, wait, so here you will be requiring to install this Ajule's package. Okay, so for this you have to go for a proper version. So here as it is shown 3.5.1 or even 3.4.3 supports, and you install it. So I hope you have understood what I mean to say. So you have to install the which version, 3.4.3. so I am now again playing this.
So here we're downloading the base R distribution, which has all of the most commonly used functions. One of the great strengths of R is that on top of this basic package, users have developed their own packages that can do more specific tasks, and these can be downloaded and installed later for free. For example, there are packages to analyze financial data, packages to do image analysis. Even Open Intro has its own package. Once the download's complete, you can double-click on the executable file, click OK on whatever sort of security warning your computer might have, and then you're prompted to choose your language. I'm going to go ahead and select English, and then just go ahead and click through this menu. There's a terms and conditions, and choose your install directory. Go ahead here and just select all of the defaults. Make sure that you have at least 50 megs of disk space available.
So here I will suggest you to go for 64-bit installation instead of 32-bit. So you just check. So see here, should I run 32-bit or 64-bit R? Okay. So when you are installing this R, you need to confirm whether your computer is 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, so accordingly you choose particular option
and then accept the defaults here. Again, choosing the defaults. You can select if you want a desktop icon or not. I'll say sure and take all the defaults there, click next, and then the install will begin. Once the install is complete, you can go ahead and click finish, and then if you close your browser, you should see an R icon on your desktop now. At this stage you've successfully installed R, so let's move on to RStudio. RStudio is a convenient interface for R that's also
So since I have installed already this R tool on my desktop, so this is the icon you will get on your desktop. So I have installed it for 64-bit and 3.4.1 version. So similarly you will be getting the respective version on your screen.
free to download. So let's reopen our browser and this time go to www.rstudio.org. Here you're going to click on the Download RStudio Beta button and then Download RStudio Desktop. Here you're going to choose the download that fits your operating system. Since I'm running Windows 7, I'm going to click on that one. And the download should begin. This file is only 16 megabytes. Once that's downloaded, you can click on the executable file, click through any security warnings your computer might have, and then work your way through the setup wizard. Here you'll choose the directory that you're going to install it in. I'm going to select the default and the start menu. That's fine, so I'll just click install. Once it's installed, you can just click finish. Then if you close your browser and go to your start menu, you should now see an RStudio icon. If you're able to successfully launch RStudio, you're all set. Though R must be installed for RStudio to run, all of the open intro labs are designed to be done here in RStudio.
So I hope you have understood how to install R and RStudio. I'll be sharing this with you. Okay, so move on to our discussions. So we'll move ahead with the usage of it.